Expectation. How do I answer? This is a normal Congress. This is not an extraordinary Congress. Just to educate those who are watching, we have three different congresses in our statutes. Our emergency Congress, our extraordinary Congress, our ordinary Congress. Emergency Congress is when something crucial comes up. I hope say, oh yeah, and such a year, and I hope say, oh, only members in this year putupru, ebia, sebi, obia free mu, and BBSC. I also know members in this year putupru, entina brony friend emergency no. Extraordinary Congress, another crucial Congress. I owe Mbremuni and Sishemu, and I assign ordinary Congress. Now, here Article 33, Section 3 of your statutes now, your G2 2019. At the end of every season, I will say you boom compound share chi. Now you boom conta your members. Your members, they are catching them last year. No, it to me, and to me, Musika away hono. Say near ye say, ye to say, ye to say, ye say. And you know, I fear I die nimuno. Say ni ye per se. And Brano say, season back on a na season for ebe shasia okwan bia so we say we ordinary Congress nti enye ade hu bia. It is something that is in the statutes of the FA G2 2019. I will say esi nti na ne ya sen hia mu hai. Obia on a drink. I mean, I am sure if I was not here, I would also have my opinion. But opinions are different. I have mine, you have yours. It only becomes a problem when team the DNA problem. But in a democratic dispensation, I am sure that those who made the law meant well, and those who must accept the law also have an opinion to say Emrano yepe and sabi obi kan untumi nkase o ye otamfo ana ompe wasem. This is where we are. Emrano at the moment say it should be a 2-term. Your members a petition FA no through different mediums. Obekaya about 2 years ago, your members be Congress be Kumasi Stadium Hotel in Chemo. They brought a petition to the FA. It's unfortunate said Niama Omogeka, FIFA Nyantum. One of the things they spoke about, for instance, expanded electoral college from 124 to 500. Increasing the number of Division 1 reps, Premier League reps, Regional Football Association reps on the ESCO, Women's League reps on the ESCO. Increasing, can I say, another term. Sorry, additional slot for Women's League representative. I feel so I was a RFA chairman 10 in ba ESCO so because Ubia on a peculiar. These were some of the petitions that we received. Even there was a petition on your Division 1 league, you're moving from zonal level to a national level. So when we received these petitions, the Executive Council appointed a review committee, not Dr. Randia Benedano. Putu ninyina together, all the petitions together. We non-present ma ESCO said this is what we received. Yes, Sivia, ya Kambum. The intino. Now was a report to my FIFA governance. Say, yeah, the Tigana, your members and say, ye ni say, intino, mon deciding my say, Mujitumusa. Feedback yajibiatum. But even their FIFA governance also you need to me say Obama go ahead for implementation unless you go to Congress. And it's the reason why we are here. And there be say na say omu table on the floor, na omu chisun tonto, omu debate, na members G2. It becomes a law, and then we will take steps to make it part of the status. Unfortunately, just only one item, and from the long or the tall list of items they come our members, But it is what it is. We have to just move on. It makes life interesting. me kai se me wo ekrasina me sori anopa me ko afuom ansana mabafia bedware ansana mako school ene me sure say ebia me wo sa time na wo se me ko afuom ebia nka me bo me hwene, but I mean those are the changes in life. A part of life. What we have decided to do is over here. I don't know if you have been with us for the last 3 congresses. Every time there is something new. A layer of improvement. And you know, I mean, the reason is simple. We Congress here Pram Pram. We have decided to hold all our important engagements at Pram Pram. It helps us to develop the place, further develop the place from time to time. Your delegates are 124. You were over 50 invited guests. Our 174. Media for a more 100. I don't know if the 174 can be 150 and it will not look good that you chat live event na nkrofo girigina ho ebi kotokoto ho ebi tetete ho na ebi ti ho na ebi girigina ho no. I mean, at the end of every congress you review what transpires in the congress. Ebi ho I hear videos I hu say ebi girigina ho ebi cross camera na ade. And you know, if it is that you decide say first come first serve, me beto Evans ne gomu ha me duru abe 620 me beto omo anti me duru am so enipa first 15 abano mu nura mo bi oba bia onyina chire. That will also create another problem. So the best thing is to ensure say their ecoso inside no you be make provision for it. Until the ecoso inside no the FA Coms team will cover everything. It will be live on our platforms. Open say hook on, you can hook on. Open say far, you can pick. Until whilst the proceedings is ongoing, you know, you baby am media for nothing. Here we are, because we do not want to make you feel neglected. Here we are. Then we will usher the media in. ESCO for or president or general secretary will be our monitor and you have the opportunity to ask, and that is the essence of growth. It is not as if say media access. Media me angasa omam beto omo me na me fa book call gate e dey to for media to register, making your tax available. Say obi register for the tag man. And we see the media as a major stakeholder in development. Here in Jamaica say media phone to me right, and then tomorrow when you want to market your game, who do you run to? So this is the arrangement. It's unfortunate. This is what we have.
Because of the space.
What it is that over the years we have had issues. We feel say we have to grow. Again, we also believe that whatever is sebi. I mean, Mr. One question. When the media is in the room, what do they do? But you to me,
we are also part of the audience.
Okay. And you know, if being live and yet possible, we are creating another platform for the media to still observe. Okay. It's not as if say ya tum say obi anko no information is available. That is complete blackout. But in this case, whatever is transpiring there is on our various platforms. You can monitor, observe, be obey inside later. What will be a question? And I think there is it's in good taste.
English. Data.